Hi Sunshines, welcome back to my channel, MADCURLS. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And welcome to another MADCURLS review and tutorial.
Yes, indeed.
This time we are back with Nature's Little Secret. We have done them on our channel before, but we are back with them because they came out with a new product. So we are here to review it for you guys. Mom, what's the new product since you picked it up? What is it?
Yes, since we're trying to match. Okay, so this is Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream.
It looks very promising. It's like a nice cream.
Yeah.
I love the pump. It comes in a pump and it smells very good. It smells so good. I'm just reviewing it right off the bat.
And I can see it parade across Instagram.
Yep.
So here it is.
And then here it is. We are actually fresh off of our Treatment Tuesday video where, so I guess it's just a Nature's Little Secret week this week.
Yes.
Where we did the Nature's Little Secret Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner. So if you want to see that video, a link will pop up here somewhere. Or it'll be down in the description box if you want to see that video on this.
Okay.
And so now we are moving into the styling portion where we're going to be using this new product.
Okay, along with this tried and true. This is the Flaxseed, Nature's Little Secret Flaxseed Curly Custard.
We're going through that.
Yeah, we
down
kind
there.
of. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So these are the two products we are going to be using in this video. So if you want to hear more about this product and see our wash and go and our results with these products, then
Please keep watching.
So first things first, water. So let me tie this side up. Light.
Just spray it all over just to kind of get it all misting. So while one side is baking, I'm working on the other side. Just
Baking.
A little head start on the moisture.
Oh, that wasn't aesthetically pleasing. Sorry. The aesthetically pleasing ones are over here.
Okay.
Okay. So before we were talking about that, how I say R for everything. I think it's supposed to be hour.
Hour.
And
I'm like, don't even try to perfect it because you know you're going to keep going back to saying R.
I know. Why do you make fun of me?
I don't.
I say fur before. Now
I
R.
say that's New England, girl.
I know, girl.
I
can't help it.
No, I'm from New England. I don't say R and fur. I say a whole lot of other things I mess upon.
Let's not even go there. What you say? Okay. What was I saying? Before we did our Treatment Tuesday, we shampooed and conditioned our hair with the Nature's Little Secret shampoo and conditioner that we have. The vanilla bean shampoo and the chocolate conditioner. That's what we cleansed our hair with.
So that was 2 pumps. It has a nice, smooth, substantial consistency. Whenever I don't know how to describe, I don't want to categorize it light. I don't want to categorize it heavy. But it's a nice...
It's a nice consistency.
A nice consistency, definitely, and a nice kind of weight.
I'm
Not too heavy,
you out.
not too light.
Let's
you
see.
know, I like that.
So, this is one full pump right there. I'm going to do another one. All right. So, it comes out nice out of this pump.
Make sure I really get it through.
Kind of thins out in your hand.
Okay. All right, so since we're going to go in with a flaxseed
It has slip.
custard, I'm going to do it at the same time. So I don't have to work my way around my head all over again.
Yeah, I would say it's like a medium consistency. It's not like thin, like watery, but it's not like super thick, heavy cream.
Yeah.
Definitely say it's like medium.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, 2 pumps was good. Smooth it in. Nice. Yeah, they don't really give directions on how to use it.
Yes.
They just say use it daily or as needed to rehydrate hair.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's what they say. And
so, like, you would use it, I guess, at your own discretion, you knowing each individual head, what you need, how much you like to put on your head. But did you do 1 pump or 2?
I did 2 pumps.
Yeah.
Or kind of like a pump and a half.
Okay.
Yeah. Even though I don't pump count.
I know.
I just kind of
One time
slapping
we're in a video, we're just like watching each other's pump count.
Yeah, pump count. Again, flaxseed gel is nice. I love this flaxseed. I keep calling it gel. Flaxseed custard. To me, it's gel. Flaxseed custard. Flaxseed curly custard, they call it.
Okay. Since this piece seems a little bit thicker, I did kind of like 2.5 pumps for this one. The other one I did, I think, 2 pumps.
Okay. So this new product, the avocado cream, retails for $13. The custard is $14.
Okay.
And if this is your first Nature's Little Secret video, they are they're relatively new. They're small, Black-owned, handmade products, organic, natural ingredients, and that's where the Nature's Little Secret came from, because they're motto
Look at you
is
dropping all that little knowledge,
I know,
girl.
their motto is that the secret to healthy hair and, you know, sickening hair is in nature. So, of course, their line, with that being said, is curly girl friendly, no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, mineral oils, preservatives, phthalates, and all that
We
stuff.
said in the new year we are going to get better with that type of thing.
We are.
We used to have that ridiculous line, and we learned the hard way.
We don't read ingredients.
We were no respecter of products,
Yeah.
and we paid dearly for it. So we said we were going to be more conscientious of what we put in our hair now, how long we allow it to stay in our hair.
Listen, we've learned so much
Yes.
since starting this channel. We used to not section our hair.
I know.
There was a lot of things we weren't doing.
Yeah.
So,
So no, we're going to try to learn some porosity tips.
yes, all of that.
Can't say we're going to be experts, but we're going to try. So all a person can do is try.
Yes, we are going to try.
Okay.
Do you want to read
I
some of
like that.
the benefits of avocado while I catch up to
Yes.
where you are?
Okay.
So what I like about the Nature's Little Secret products is that they tell you like the benefits of like their main ingredients like for that particular product. So this one is avocado,
Okay.
and so
My glasses.
go.
Oh, here they go.
Hopefully you can see
All
it.
right,
But
hold
the
on.
writing is just a little bit.
Yeah, I
small.
know it's extremely small, so I'll do the best I can.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I catch up to you because you are
Okay.
moving along over
I
there.
know.
And I'm just
Isn't
talking.
it so good? What am I doing? Okay. All right, so let's see. All right, avocados are a superfruit for the body. They contain lots of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to help keep you healthy. Not only are avocados good for the body and delicious, I love avocados.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. I absolutely do.
To me, they don't have a taste, so it freaks me out.
I know you said it
I know
does.
it really like
No.
freaks me out.
No, I love
I can't eat
avocados.
avocados.
Okay. I love like sprinkling lemon on
I mean, I
it.
can do guacamole, but just to cut it open and then just
Really?
eat it and
Now,
put
see, I
put
don't-
it on toast or
I don't
something,
care
I
for
can't.
guacamole at all.
Oh no?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
No. Okay.
All right, so we're delicious. Oh, they're great for your hair. Avocados contain protein, which helps strengthen your hair. They help reduce frizz, and due to high levels of monounsaturated fatty acids, avocados are a great natural moisturizer. Yeah, because this is definitely a moisturizer. You can just feel it. I
Yeah,
can feel it in
my
my
hair
hands
looks
now.
shiny.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. The oil and butter extracted from avocados contain important vitamins E and B, which are great for your scalp and overall health of your hair. Our handmade avocado moisture cream will rehydrate, moisturize, and strengthen your hair.
All right. Thank you for all of that.
Okay. Let's see description. Okay, you already said how to use it. Okay. All right.
And for those of you who don't know, we do have a discount code with Nature's Little Secret. It's a buy two get one free code, and it is MADCURLS.
Yes, mix and match.
Mix and match. Yes, buy two of anything, get one thing free.
Yeah.
$99.
Does anybody care for LoriAnne suggestions? If so, raise your hand and I'll look and see. Okay, okay, I see your hand. Yes, I see your hand. Yeah, you know when
There's
they
a
do the
few over there,
auctions,
yeah.
they nod like, because the people just kind of like they'll like hold up a card and they'll say, and then they'll say, and then they like nod, and then they'll say, and then they just do like I love the way they do that. They just like you don't have to be like me over here. I want to do $10. They just do like this, like they just hold a card like that. I just
Those
love
are the
that.
civilized auctions.
Right. Okay.
Except, what's the one, the Storage Wars? The guy's like, yep,
Right? I know. Do they do that? They do the auctioning thing?
Yeah, remember
Okay.
like it's Storage Wars? I think it's Storage Wars where like they go to like storages and then like they lift the thing up really quick and then you can like peek in and then like they'll start the auction. They'll say,
I
okay, you know,
know.
$2,000. Yep. Okay, the three. How do you do it?
Yeah,
$5,000. Yep. Like, and
I know Storage Wars, in a way it's kind of sad because sometimes it can be people's life, you know, and they put it in storage and then the fees run up and you can't get your stuff back and then you just kind of, I witnessed that one time and it was very, very sad. A whole person's life was there. They open up the door, you see everybody like bidding on your things.
Yep.
And I felt so bad. They wanted their things back and the person was just ruthless that was there. They're like, no, you know, you see the picture albums, you see all, it's sad. And so yes, it's benefit, but you only get a quick peek. They raise up the door and you just kind of like look real quick and then they shut it on down. And then, I mean, it could just have maybe one color TV in the back, but then after that, it could just be a bunch of junk, you know? So it's a chance, you might see that color TV banking on there's other stuff if that TV is there, but it may not be.
Or they'll see like a chest or like a dresser or something,
Yes.
and like sometimes like someone will spend like $2,000 on a storage and then find the dresser, and the dresser has like $100,000 in it or something
Yes.
worth like millions of dollars, and
Yeah.
so that's what they bank on, finding something, you know,
Yep.
worth it in there. To me, that's gambling. I can't do that. I can't play with my money like
Well,
that.
I think that I think it's probably for professionals. Like I said, they're ruthless. I said pawn shop owners, so they go in there and they have to, you know, they probably stock up their stores. I mean, I don't know where they sell the stuff at, but they know what they're doing. Trust me, they're not losing. I'm sure. I am sure they probably have all sorts of venues to sell this stuff at.
Yeah.
You know, they can't just bank on their customers coming into the pawn shop. I'm sure they have other avenues, other outlets. They probably go state to state. I don't know how they do it. I have no idea how they do it.
I mean, you have to know what to look for when they open that door.
Yes, very
and
quickly.
give you like a quick sneak peek.
Yeah.
You have to know what to look for.
Yeah.
I really like this cream.
Forgot to put the flaxseed custard on this piece.
What how many ounces is this? So this is 8 ounces. 8
Okay.
ounces.
So like your standard natural hair.
Product.
Mm-hmm.
Which I think going into 2019, we need more in our bottles.
I know, right?
Like 8 ounces makes me nervous. Like,
I know. It does.
especially when I'm sharing with you.
Yeah. I feel the same exact way,
Like,
girl.
when 2 people are sharing, like, no, I need
I saw
more.
something on Facebook today that said, go on into 2019 with that same energy you have today. So those that don't know you today, keep that same energy. Keep that same energy.
No, girl, that had to do with what we were talking about. You just had to share it.
I'm just always ready just to attack.
Just to share that
To
knowledge.
share that. We're going to have some wisdom tips on this channel this year. We ain't taking no mess on the
None.
MADCURLS channel.
None on the MADCURLS channel.
The MADCURLS fam has had it.
So funny. I know currently, when we're filming this video, it is New Year's Eve. So we will be seeing you guys soon on live. And by the time you guys see this video, you'll be able to watch the playback of
Yes.
the New Year's Eve live.
And you'll know what we're wearing in our hair because I told everybody to show up in their best looks and to tell us what you're wearing in your hair tonight. So we will be wearing Nature's Little
Someone
Secret.
commented and said a bonnet because she's staying in.
I know. I'm like, those were not the rule. I said that you had to
So
come
funny.
dressed to impress.
Her
Okay.
bonnet, her best bonnet.
Mm-hmm.
I can wear a bonnet.
I said you're busted for that.
A bonnet.
Yep, I saw that.
I love a good bonnet.
You do? Okay. I love a good
That's
headscarf.
my sassy hair cat. My little big bonnet, big pink bonnet. You say I look like a cupcake or
Yes.
something?
And I actually look like a cupcake with my little hot heads.
Your hot heads.
Yeah, I love it. It has cupcakes. It's pink. I look like a cupcake. Very cute. Okay.
I'm just smoothing this in. And what I like about the Nature's Little Secret, I think it's the custard that does it for me, but we'll find out.
I like the smell. It's mild. It's very slightly sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get elongation and curl definition.
That's what I'm seeing here.
with the-
Elongation.
I think it's the custard.
Wow, that's what I couldn't like identify though. I'm seeing my hair getting longer and longer.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I keep trying to like do this. You see me doing this, but yeah, no, this is not going nowhere this length. So
Yeah.
I'll be sickening tonight for live.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. So yeah, it's this custard. I love this custard. Did I say how much the custard was? Custard's $14, if I didn't say that already.
Okay.
Those of y'all who like prices and whatnot. Try to give you all the information
You do
that,
good.
that I can think of.
That's why I'm sitting here during the day. You're like you got a little pencil, paper, pad, and I'm just like basically keep up the good work.
That's okay, girl. You do other things.
You do, girl.
Yes, girl.
Okay. So she lives another day.
She lives another day.
Okay. All right. So if you're looking for elongation, here you go. I can't get this stuff to drop. That's all right. But I can tell by the way it's looking. It's going to be a nice wash and go.
It's gonna be nice.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna be looking
I
good.
like it sometimes when you see kind of like this lightening of the hair because it's going to be airy and blowy when it
Yes.
dries, right?
Yep.
There's certain things I look for. Sometimes I like very, very dark and curly because you know it's going to be kind of like a tight, big, where I could pick out this is going to be light and blowy and it's going to be great for tonight's event. So yeah.
The curls are gonna be brought together. They're gonna look good.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm on my last piece.
Alright.
Girl, is this you, girl?
What's that? No. I don't know if it is or not. She's just got some flaxseed custard there. Well,
Girl. Clearly, girl.
yeah, I'm whipping it for you.
Please, girl.
Top it off with mine.
Are you jealous of my dress?
Very much so.
Okay.
Wait, here, you got some. Oh, girl, you got it all.
Oh, is it me?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Just don't sling it over here on my sickening vest.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm
Okay.
smoothing it in.
All right.
I'm still smoothing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Grab this other side. Oh my gosh, girl. Why are you moving so fast today?
Because I'm just getting so good at what I do.
Okay.
So I just know how to apply products.
Alright. So, that is it. The product is in our hair. We're going to
Yes.
go air dry our hair.
Yep.
We're going to go air dry. And we will be back to show you guys these results.
Okay.
Alright, see you guys soon.
All right.
Bye. And we are back.
Back.
These are our results. And they are amazing.
Light and airy.
Definitely light and airy, but you definitely feel
the
the
hold?
moisture cream. Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Oh yeah, the hold. Yeah, there's a hold.
Yes.
I would say like medium.
Mm-hmm.
Medium hold. Yeah.
Yes.
Medium
Absolutely
hold.
medium. And yeah, you definitely feel the moisture cream.
Curl definition. Look at my ends. That's always my gauge.
I knew it was gonna be cute. I knew it was gonna be light, airy, kind of like big. I just know the way it dries,
Yeah.
and I like it.
So this moisture cream is definitely a great addition. I like this. I could definitely see myself using this again.
Yeah.
I like this, and then with the custard,
Yes.
the custard gives it that hold.
Yep.
And definitely, like I said, with the custard, the elongation.
Mm-hmm.
So for those of you who have like TWAs who like want some elongation,
Yeah.
and who want some elongation, this custard's a great custard for elongation.
Yeah.
Curl definition here
It kind of
and
brought all my
moisture.
back pieces that bug me all the time. That kind of like, hey, kind of like brought them all together and rounded it out a little bit. I really like what it did to my
Curls
hair.
are sick now.
Yeah.
Cute.
Mm-hmm.
So we like it.
We like
We
it.
like it. We don't have a lot of time this evening to go on and on and on like we typically do because we are getting ready to get on live with y'all
Right?
for New Year's Eve. Yeah.
New Year's Eve.
But this wash and go got us together, so this is what we will be wearing New Year's Eve.
This is what we're wearing in our hair. What are you
Yes.
wearing in your hair, girl?
I'm wearing Nature's Little Secret.
How are you? Okay.
Their avocado moisture cream and curling custard.
Okay.
What are you wearing?
Me too.
Oh, you are?
Avocado moisture cream and the flaxseed curling custard.
It was safe. It was safe. We knew it was gonna get us together tonight.
Yes, Lord. Oh my gosh.
So we are ready to bring in the new year with sickening hair.
Sickening hair.
Alrighty.
Yes.
There it
Tonight
is.
and every night.
Every night. Yeah. So if you want to be sickening in 2018, we will put the link in the description box to their website. Again, we have a code: buy two get one free.
Yeah.
If you are interested,
Yes.
this
Definitely go for it. Like, oh my gosh, like
the leave-in. You love the leave-in.
I love
Yeah.
the leave-in. I love the
The
banana
leave-in's
leave-in.
good. We'll link our other Nature's Little Secret video if you want to see how that leave-in is used. But if you're interested in the buy two get one free, we did do the mask in our other video.
And for those of you that want me to choose, I can't. You know, would I like better, the banana leave-in or the avocado?
They're different.
They're different.
This is heavier though, I think.
Yes,
this
this
is heavier.
gave me this look the other day. That gave me
A different look.
it wasn't as they weren't as defined. They were bigger, more like an afro style, and this is more definition. The other one I think was like big all over. I
Okay.
mean, they're just two different looks. Like
Yeah.
every day I go for something different, and I like this look tonight.
Yeah, I really like this.
yeah,
Yeah, definitely this custard.
yeah. But there's no comparison. They're two separate products doing two different things. I feel.
This is good. The avocado styling cream. You like the banana leave-in.
I do.
You love the banana leave-in. It's a great leave-in. I love the deep conditioner.
Yes.
So there's a lot of great products to choose from. Buy two, get one free if you guys are interested.
Yeah.
I think that is it.
That should wrap
I
it
think
up.
that is it.
Our final video of 20.
Yes.
Wait. Yes, it is
2018. Final video of 2018. It is 9 o'clock right now.
Oh my gosh.
On
I'm so excited. Like we
New
did
Year's
it
Eve.
this year.
We did it.
Wow, we did. Yay.
And we're ending it with a Nature's Little Secret wash and go.
There we go.
All right.
Okay.
So thank you guys so much for watching and for watching us this year.
Yes.
And we will
We'll
see you
see you at
guys
the after party.
at the after party. We'll see you guys at our next video.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Bye.